Welcome to another video. Today's video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about Beats Solo Pro wireless headphones. We're going to talk about it, analyze it, and explore it like always. Let's get started, shall we? The Solo Pro headphones have the ability of noise cancellation, powerful balanced sound, optimal comfort, and audio sharing. So, let's start with the noise cancellation first. Cancel noise, stay inspired, featuring active noise cancelling that gives the space to create with fully immersive sound. So you're not having those extra sounds that are always coming from outside. You're just focusing on what you should be focusing, that music that you are focusing and all of that. Immerse yourself in your music with an advanced acoustic platform and noise cancelling. Solo Pro ensures you always have the right sound for the right equation and situation. So basically, it with the noise canceling, it can kind of adapt. Like when you're in a metro, it gets it higher. When you're just outside and the birds, it's a bit lower. It adapts to the situation that you are in it, and then it gives you the perfect service. We have noise cancellation that actively blocks external noise, uses real time audio collaboration, giving you space you need to create and stay inspired. For the transparency mode, is naturally filter more environmental and ambient noise to help you stay aware of your surroundings. In the extend power, when you turn noise cancelling and transparency mode off, you'll get up to 40 hours of battery life. So many. You can get inspired with Pharrell more mass collections. You can select your color, any color you want. So depending on your job or the place you work or which color you like if you're a teenager, the red and the light blue look really like astonishing. If you're a young lady or even a young man, I think the white looks really astonishing. Um, the cream, black, and the navy also looks really cool. Everyday comfort and style. So it's designed to deliver optimal comfort for extended wear and sleek style. So basically, like everybody use their headphones for most of their times. Everybody who owns a headphone usually have it with them. And one problem with the headphones is that they're not usually as comfortable as they should be. But with the Beats Solo Pro wireless headphone, we can make sure that it's completely comfortable and also stylish at all times. Unfold and go. You can unfold your headphones to power and enjoy up to 27 hours of listening time, up to 40 hours without the noise cancellation and the transparency mode off. You can fold them and turn them off. So, for example, you're going on a road trip, you can have 40 hours without noise cancellation and transparency. Or you're just like heading outside for a 24-hour shift, just bring that with you because it's gonna last 27 hours instead of 24. Power to inspire. When you need the extra juice, 10 minutes fast full charging give you 3 hours of playback when battery is low. So when the battery is low, you can just plug in the charger for 10 minutes and then after that listen to your music or whatever you're listening for 3 extra hours. Stay connected no matter where your days take you. It has an integrated on-air control, so you can take calls, skip songs, control volume directly from your earcom. It's easy to use voice controls because it's hands-free control via Hey Siri and the iOS devices, and voice coupling with the push of B button on variety of compatible devices. You can extend the range with the Class 1 Bluetooth technology The Solo Pro offers extended range and fewer dropouts for you. You can listen with a friend, so with audio sharing, you can pair two sets of bits of headphones on AirPods or iPhone and enjoy the same song at the same time, or see what's in the box. So with that comes a Solo Pro wireless headphone, carrying case, lighting to USB charging cable, quick start code, and a warranty card. Now, let's see. Highlights: noise cancelling, actively blocking external noise. Advanced accuracy, deliver powerful sound with balanced tonality. Up to 22 hours of listening time and 40 hours of noise cancellation and transparency. And it's designed to power on and off when you unfold and unfold. The connectivity is the Apple H1 chip and a class 1 wireless Bluetooth. On-ear control, it has volume, track calls, call controls on the right ear cup, and then noise cancelling transparency mode switch on and off in the left ear. Other features: dual beamforming microphones, motion detecting accelerometer, detecting accelerometers, and then for general, the height is 179 millimeters, weight is only 267 grams. The form factor is on-ear, power is rechargeable lithium battery. The battery is a Solo Pro single charge of 22 hours of listening time, fast fill of 10 minutes, 3 hours when it's on the low charge, and the noise cancelling and transparency mode turned off is up to 40 hours of listening time. For the packaging, product used by 70% recycled fiber, excluding the sleeve, so you're also helping the environment by ordering this. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. It will encourage us to make more videos for you, first of all, and second of all, you will learn more about this product. Third of all, you never know, you might end up buying your own Beats Solo Pro wireless headphones, so make sure to check it out. The resource I used was www.beatspidey.com/headphones/slowpro. We use the resources, we give them credit for that. For the videos that's gonna come up, it's on their website, on their channel, so we're gonna give them complete credit for the short clips after this presentation and my talking. And also, if you need more information, just go and check out their website. That was the only resource I used, so you don't have to worry about the reliability. Now, let's go and see some videos and see what they're about.
I've always seen music in color. First and foremost, I wanted them to feel different because you're already going to hear something different. You're going to experience something different, but it should be different as soon as you set eyes on them. The Solo Pro is transformative, and what's crazy that we have the ability to cancel the noise or welcome it. This is an all-day, everything headphone. There's like a switch that goes off in my mind. It's just like, oh, that's it. It's ready. This is so cool, man. And we got something. Thank you.